sunny, rainy, and windy day. One morning, the sky was blue and the sun was shining. Mia the little girl ran outside. "It is a sunny day," she said. She played with her ball and smiled. In the afternoon, dark clouds came. "It is raining now," said Mia. She opened her red umbrella and jumped in the puddles. Splash! Splash! Later, the rain stopped, and the wind blew gently. "It is windy," Mia said. She took out her kite. The kite flew high in the sky. At night, Mia looked at the stars. "Today was sunny, rainy, and windy," she whispered. "Every kind of weather can be fun." She smiled and went to sleep.